Hello everyone, and happy new year. Welcome back to DDT Tech Solutions, and what we have today, it's NFP 5th January 2024, and a real quick one. So I'm going to take you through my analysis on NFP, on DXY, on gold, on USD dollar, GBPUSD, Euro USD, usdjpy. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's head on to our analysis. So what do we have? NFP on Friday at 1:30 p.m. GMT, and what I'm anticipating, looking at the chart on DXY, we could clearly see on a weekly time frame, we've had a rejection from this key support zone many times. So this is a rejection, and this week has been bullish on DXY, which suggests that the US dollar is looking very stronger. We're looking very bullish. So looking at the daily time frame as well, it's still kind of making some kind of higher highs. So still looking bullish, as I said. So what am I anticipating? So this NFP, I'm looking out for a strong dollar. I'm looking out for a strong US dollar. So my analysis is that we can have a bullish movement on DXY, a bullish movement on DXY looking at this time frame to clear any buys. We have a buy side liquidity here to clear this buy side liquidity, as well we have another buy side liquidity around this zone. So I'm looking out for a bullish to clear this buy side liquidity and to clear this buy side liquidity again for tomorrow. So let's look at what we have for gold. So gold on the weekly time frame has gotten to the peak of a key resistance zone, which is a monthly resistance zone. For the first time, we had a breakout that was on 4th December. We had a bullish breakout out of the zone, but then it came back to close below the resistance, suggesting that that is a very strong key point, but it came to take liquidity. So what do we have again? We have seen that this week US gold has been bearish and has not been able to break through this resistance. So looking at the daily time frame, we're going to have, we can see over the past few days, gold has been dropping and is dropping. So I anticipate that tomorrow we are going to have a bearish movement to hit this trend line, rising trend line support zone. You can see it looks like a rising. So we are going to hit sell on gold to hit this rising trend line support zone. So this is for gold. Let's see what we have for Oxy dollar. Oxy dollar looks very bearish. Let's look at the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it's so a bearish flag, and over the few 2 weeks, we saw that it broke above the bearish flag, and now it is dropping back into the bearish flag. So might look like a false breakout. Okay, so let's see what we have on the daily time frame. So over this week, it looks very bearish. So we can clearly see that as it has broken, we are going to find our next support zone right here on the key zone, or right here. But what we are going to focus on is that Aussie dollar, we are going to have a bearish movement on Aussie dollar on NFP. So we are going to sell on Aussie dollar to any key zone, but you just sell on the spike, you sell before the spike. So now looking at GBPUSD as well. GBPUSD on the weekly time frame is bearish on the weekly time frame, and it's also looking bullish on the trend line. Okay, so what I anticipate is we have some key minor or yeah, a minor support zone where liquidity has been taken many times. You can see the wicks of these candlesticks, meaning liquidity has been taken many times. And when it got to this zone this week, hasn't been able to break through, and it's looking bearish. So what do we anticipate for GBPUSD? I am anticipating that during NFP tomorrow we could have a breakout of this trend line to hit any key support or other block. There's another block here. So when there's a breakout, we're going to have a strong movement over on the next week to there's another block here. So to this other block. Yeah, so that's what we have for GBP USD. Looking at Euro USD as well. For your information, I'm going to be trading live on NFP, so you can also join me. So all you have to do is to subscribe, hit the notification bell, join the Telegram channel. The link is below in the description. Follow me on X as well. So what do you have on Euro USD? Looking at a 1 week time frame. Also, Euro USD has been very bearish, looking very bearish, and it's due to kind of a rejection or a minor rejection from this zone. So looking bearish, but on a bullish movement on the trend line. So what do you anticipate on the daily time frame? I believe I believe Euro USD will make a first move up and then break this trend line to any key other block or a support zone. So I anticipating for a first move upwards and then a bearish movement to break this trend line. So looking for a sell of Euro USD during NFP. So USD JPY, my favorite, has been looking very, very, very bullish since the start of the week, as it's bounced off a very good zone and looking very, 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 very strong bullish. So looking at the daily time frame, we can clearly see that it's still looking going up, going up, going up, and I'm anticipating that we're going to have a bullish movement on USDJPY during NFP, a very strong bullish movement on USDJPY. So I'll be trading live, as I said. All you have to do is to just subscribe. So you have to stay updated also by turning on your notification bell. Thank you.